Hello everyone, my name is Komal Jalan and I teach biology for classes 9 to 12 CBSE, ICSE and state boards. I also guide students for NEET biology, NTSE, KVPY and Olympiad examinations. I have done my masters in life science and I have qualified several all India examinations like CSIR, NET, GATE and ICR NET exams. I have around 4 years of teaching experience, and in that time, I have guided around 800 students till date. I have taught in different schools, coaching centers, online platforms, and also have guided many students on one-to-one mode. My teaching methodology is very simple and understandable. I include pictorials and charts in my presentation for better readability. I give complete notes of the chapters I teach. I resolve queries in a very short span of time, as well as my classes are very interactive. I encourage students to do the practical works on the several experiments I teach and share the pictures of those experiments on the timeline. I also help the students to resolve their doubts based on their need, and I also guide the students based on their requirements of the chapters. So I welcome you as a student on Sulekha eLearn platform, and I'm very sure that you will have a very happy learning experience with me. Thank you.